Alright guys, this is going to be a little tool, not review, but just showing you guys a new little tool. And I'm showing you guys this because AC season is starting onto vehicles with all the hot weather coming around. We're going to be seeing more and more vehicles come into the shop where the AC not working. So I purchased this off Amazon. This was $50 or $60, somewhere around there. I'll put a link in the description for you guys to go check it out. And it's a wireless temperature kit. So basically I could keep this model onto my bench and the probe into the car, and it will give me my reading. Now you always have a reference temperature right here, and then the real temperature that's into the car. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go and set everything up inside the car. Alright, so here we have the box contents. We have, let's get this out. We have the probe, which has an on and off switch. You guys do have to put your own batteries into the main unit and the probe. So you take and you would come over. I'll do it from the back. We'll take and we'll turn it on. And as you can tell right now, it is reading in Fahrenheit, which is my reference temperature right now. Now I have the AC on, but there is an issue on this car, so we'll take 88.2, 88.3. And as you can tell, it's not really moving. Now if I come over to the air duct, we should see a little bit of a drop. This one feels a little bit colder. 81. Now if we press the Celsius button, it switches over to Celsius. We press it again, it switches over to Fahrenheit. As you can tell, this duct is a little bit colder than this duct. Now, in order for you to use a probe, the first thing you have to do is you have to take your probe and you have to turn it on. Now when you start to turn it on, it's going to take a second, but you're going to see that the wireless signal down here will start to read the probe. Alright, so as you can see now, it's read it, and I had to reset the tool. For some reason, I guess if you wait too long, it doesn't like that. So, but now if I take this probe and I stick it up into the vent, I will have a reference air of inside the vent. And it does come with a little clip onto it so it can just hold it. And now I'm having a reference air compared to my outside air. And compared to my inside air. So my reference air is at 30.2 degrees Celsius and my duct temperature is at 31 degrees Celsius. So as you can tell, we do have an issue. So now I could leave that in there while I bring this out to my box. So now as you can tell, it is still reading my probe. Now if I had the second probe, because you can actually add two probes to this, if I had the second probe, all I would have to do is press this button right here, and it would cycle to the second probe, and then you press it again, it'll cycle back. So you can typically have three probes, one in the center, one on left duct, one on right duct, and you can get a real reading of what's going on to the vehicle. So this was just a short video to show you guys this tool, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.